For new patients and patients who need surgical treatment, you will enter the double glass doors on the right. For those meeting with our hygienists for regular recalls, aka periodontal maintenance, you'll take the hallway to the left. We will take a tour of the periodontal maintenance and hygiene wing in another video. First, let's take a tour of the new patient and surgical treatment center. Welcome to the heart of confident smiles and life-changing care. Periodontics and Implant Center of McKinney, where beautiful, healthy smiles begin. Here, it's more than dentistry. It's personalized care from a team dedicated to your comfort, your confidence, and your smile. Led by board-certified specialists in periodontics and implants, including Dr. Paul Chang, the first dual board-certified periodontist and prostodontist in Texas, and Dr. Catherine Tatum. Our team brings advanced expertise to every patient experience. Whether it's gum health, preventive care, or state-of-the-art implant treatments, we tailor every visit to your needs, delivering care that's gentle, effective, and built around you. From cutting-edge 3D imaging and same-day implant solutions to minimally invasive gum treatments and full smile restorations, our office blends world-class technology with a warm, welcoming environment. Every step of your journey, from consultation to treatment and beyond, is guided by industry-leading specialists committed to excellence. Because your smile is more than aesthetics, it's a reflection of health, confidence, and quality of life. At Periodontics and Implant Center of McKinney, we're creating beautiful, healthy smiles that last a lifetime, and we can't wait to help you discover yours. Call today to schedule your visit. Your smile starts here.